Hello friends, in this video I am going to talk about the lambda expression, filter, map and zip. So let us start from the lambda expression. So here I am defining f equal to lambda and it will simply return me number 8. So when I will call this function it will show me nothing. So I will have to print it. So I am printing it and it will show me 8. I can print it from here also. It is showing me 8. I can give a parameter to this function. Suppose I am giving x parameter, then it will show me print parameter x. So when I will call this function with the argument 9, it will show me parameter 9. So I can give a multiple parameter. I have assigned given a y as a parameter. So I am running this function. I'm giving an argument 2. So I will call this function. It will show me parameter 9 and 2. I can use if and else statement also in this lambda expression. So this will print me y is greater than high if x is greater than y, else by. So when I will call this function with a argument 7 and 2, then it will show me nothing. So I will have to print it. So it's showing me high as 7 is greater than 2. So if I have number 9, then it will show me by. So this is how we can use lambda expression as a lambda expression. Now let us understand the use of map. So let us firstly define a list. A list with a random element 7, 5, 4, 2, 4, any number, and that is p equal to map. The first argument is going to be the name of the function without parenthesis, and the second argument is going to be the name of the list. So it is list, lst. So when I'll call this function, when I'll print this function in this p, first I will have to give the any expression over here. For example, I'm giving it will take an argument. I have given x as a parameter and it will return me simply x plus 1. So when I'll call this function, it is showing me map object. So I will have to convert this into list. Now it is showing me 8, 6, 5, 3, 5. So what is doing? It is taking the first element of the list and it is passing to the function and it is adding plus 1. Then it is showing me 8. Then it is taking the second element, then it is adding 1, then it is showing me 6. So it worked like this. Instead of adding 1, I can add anything. I can do any operation. For example, I am multiplying with a number 2, that will show me 14, 10, 8, 4, 8. Now let us understand the function of the filter. For the filter, I will have to give any condition. For example, I am giving x equal to 2, then it will show me 2. So what is doing? It is taking the first element of list and checking if the condition is satisfying or not. Since 7 is not equal to 2, so it is not adding in this list. So when it come to number 2, since 2 is satisfying this condition, so it is showing me only 2. Suppose I have given any condition x is greater than 2, it is greater than 4, then it will show me 7 and 5. As 7 and 5 are greater than 4, so only these two elements has been added into in this list. If I want to print a even number from this list, I can simply give this condition, so it will show me only the even number from this list. If I write over here 1, then it will show me the only odd numbers. If I write over here 3, then it will show me the only number which divisible by 3 to give remainder 1. So these are the numbers which will, when divisible by 3 to give remainder 1. So this is how we can use a filter function. Let us understand the function of zip. There is no need of use of lambda in case of zip. So m1 equal to, I'm defining another list m2 with any random element 3, 7, 4, 5, 2. The condition is that they must have same number of elements. The length should be same. So when I will print zip m1 m2, it will show me zip object. So I will have to convert this into a list. So I will call this function. So there is a problem. Now it's showing me. Yeah. So it is this is the result which is shown in this console. If I write over here tuple, yeah, this has been converted into tuple. When I write over here dictionary, then it will be converted into dictionary format. If I write 2, 7, sorry, or 5, then it will show me 5, because 5 is the key of the value 5. If I write over here 1, it will show me 2, because 1 is the key and 2 is the value of this key, so it will show me 2. So this is how we can use a zip function. Every element of this list, then I will have to define x and y in, for x and y in lst print x now I am assigning this list into a variable lst and converting this into list. Now when I call this, run this, it will show me the result, something like this: 7387445512. So this is how we can get the values of this list.